do you know? Earth's largest land animal isn't just big. It's biologically over-engineered. An elephant's skin is up to 2.5 centimeters thick, yet sensitive enough to feel a fly landing. Their trunk, a fusion of nose and upper lip, packed with over 40,000 muscles. Precise enough to pick a coin, powerful enough to uproot a tree. Their jaws are built with giant horizontal molars that move forward like a conveyor belt, replaced multiple times in life to keep grinding bark, roots, and hardwood, generating crushing force designed for ecosystem destruction, not hunting. They communicate using infrasound, vibrations that travel kilometers through the ground, keeping herds connected without seeing each other. And the rarest truth, when their final molars wear out, they can no longer chew, making tooth lifespan a direct survival clock. Size gave them power, but biology gave them dominance. And if you want more hidden science layers decoded, subscribe and unlock the next file.